This tutorial is for 4th grade Module 3, Lesson 7. In this lesson, we're going to combine the place value chart with partial product multiplication so we can understand how we get the numbers we get when we multiply. I'll start with the vertical format for multiplication problem of 2 times 43. To begin with, we're going to take 2 times 3, which I know is 6. I'm going to show that on my place value chart. 2 times 3 is 6. Next, I have to take 2 times 40, and we want to remember that this 4 is not just 4, but 40. I'll write that to the side as a reminder. I'm taking 2 times 40, which is 80, and I know that 80 is represented by 8 tens. I add my two partial products, and I get a final answer of 86. Which matches the picture I see on the place value chart. Let's look at another example. Here I'm taking 3 times 43. I start with 3 times 3, which is 9. I'll show that in the place value chart. 3 groups of 3. And now I'm taking 3 times 40. Well, I know 3 times 4 is 12, so 3 times 40 is 120, and I show that on my place value chart as 120. Add those together for a final product of 129, which again matches my place value chart, 129. Let's look at another example with a little bit bigger product. I'll start by taking 3 times 69. 3 times 9 will be my first partial product, which is 27. I will show that on the place value chart. 27 is 2 tens and 7 ones. Then I will take 3 times 60. Well, 3 times 6 is 18, so 3 times 60 is 180. If I show that on the place value chart, I have 100, 8 tens to show 180. Now when I add those, I get 7 ones, 2 tens, and 8 tens is 10 tens. So I'm going to carry my 1 for a final answer of 207. And we can look at our place value chart. I see that I have 7 ones. I also see that if I take my 2 tens and my 8 tens, I can bundle them and move them over to make 100. That's how I end up with 2 in my hundreds place. Once I've done that bundling and regrouping, I get 200. So the place value chart shows us why we get 207 as our final answer when I take 3 times 69.